Potential inventory of new construction homes exceeds existing resale inventory stock, so buyers do have options for the Annapolis market. It's Friday, June 30th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Annapolis inventory dropped this week as more homes went under contract, leaving fewer for buyers to choose, removing 141 homes from inventory. 47 of those were moderately priced homes. Purchase of new construction in Annapolis is an option for many home buyers seeking to live in the area. New construction home prices do come with a higher price tag, as most new homes start in the high 500,000s for condos or townhouses, and single-family homes start in the high 600s and up. Currently, there are 78 resale homes in all three Annapolis zip codes. 29 have reduced their price and 7 have raised their price. There are 22 homes to be built, but this figure does not include all potential units for each approved development. Therefore, the actual new construction inventory exceeds 300 homes available once the builders begin releasing more units. There are 22 homes coming soon to the market. 18 went under contract and 14 went pending, both up again this week. 36 sold over the past week, selling in just 5 days at 100.4% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was a waterfront in Wimbledon Farms for $3,900,000. There are 20 homes for lease in Annapolis at a median $3,125 per month. Well, that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 30th, 2023. Have a super holiday weekend, and thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe, and I'll see you next week.